Benny and Cash, you ready to try some different foods? Cash, you're a little close. Should you be on your bed? Okay, so what's first? Cash. Benny, come here, bud. Go to your bed. Go to your bed. Take it to your bed. We like those. So you like that? You give that a thumbs up? Okay. Don't seem too enthused. Now, we're going to try a Cheerio. Cash is like, boring. Give me something bigger. Now, we're going to try a piece of spinach. What do you think about that? No? You want something else? What about a piece of celery? Cash, you don't like that either? Oh, Cash, at least he's going for it, but he's like, Would you rather have something else? Do you want a treat instead? Cash. How about a treat? You want one of those? That's way better than that nasty celery, huh? What about your favorite? It's ice. Oh, Benny's like, we just had a treat. I don't want this. Oh, Cash going back to the celery. Oh. Guess we don't like vegetables here. Oh. Cash picks the ice. Benny surprisingly went back for the celery, so whatever works.